What a beautiful Friday night. It is the 9th of July, and we are here at the beach with so many wonderful and incredible humans, all agents, associates, leadership with Keller Realty. And you know what? Let me say from the bottom of my heart how blessed I feel to be involved in your lives and part of your family. You are part of mine as an agent here at Keller Williams. And this is a salute to you, to a celebration of summer, going through an incredible year in a pandemic and being able to be free and alive and enjoy each other's company. Again, I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for all you do that make Keller Williams Central Coast what it is. Thank you.